everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make oven baked Ghanaian chips. This is very easy to make, very crunchy, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. To my mixing bowl, I added in flour, I then grated some fresh nutmeg, and then I added in the rest of the ingredients, which is powdered milk, salt, yellow food color. This is totally optional. I added in baking powder and then mixed till well combined. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once all the dry ingredients are added, go ahead, stir it together and then add in margarine. Mix until it has formed a breadcrumbs consistency, and then add in garlic paste and onion paste. So what I did was to grind it with my earthenware and then I added it to it. Mix till well combined and then add in water. So this recipe is very easy. Once when it squeezes and all comes together like that, that means it's ready, you are the right consistency. Go ahead, add in water bit by bit until you've added in all, and then until it has formed a dough. Once it has formed a dough, transfer it on your work surface. You can even knead it in the bowl if you want to. Don't knead it that much, don't overstress the dough. 3 to 5 minutes should be enough. The dough shouldn't be sticky at all. It should be as seen in the video. When done, go ahead and divide it into two and then keep one aside and work with one. But if you have a big working surface, you can just go ahead and roll them. Before rolling it, sprinkle flour on your work surface. And the good thing about this dough is that you can even make it a day or 2 days ahead. Keep it in the fridge. Whenever you are ready, you can go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. So once done, sprinkle flour on your work surface, sprinkle flour on it and then roll it. The thickness should be around 2 to 3 millimeters. You do not want to roll it that thick. So go ahead and roll it, and this part is totally optional. I went ahead and used egg wash to brush on top, and then I used a fork to make some design. It's totally optional. If you want, you can just go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces and bake it. But I did this one just because I was having time. So go ahead, cut it into smaller pieces with your pizza cutter or with a knife, with the scissors, and then bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size. So that's it. It's very simple, very easy, super crunchy, and you will love it. Just look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Not just beautiful, but delicious as well. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, share, comment. See you till then. Bye bye.